how to allow or deny notification access permission on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. So you will see. After click on Apps, click on this three dot icon and click on Special Access. So after click on Special Access, so click on Notification Access. So after click on access, so if you want to allow notification access, so turn on this button. So after turn on button, you will see notification access is allowed. So if you want to deny, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see notification access is denied. So you will allow or deny apps from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can allow or deny notification access permission on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.